Today, we're going to talk about how to file an LLC in the state of Washington. And so if you come to this video, you're probably wondering, what is an LLC and how do I set one up correctly? And I'm here to tell you that you found the right video, as I'm going to make sure to walk you step by step through the process. I'm also going to share with you very important information that affects new business owners. And if you don't follow through and complete the paperwork, it can cost you thousands of dollars in fines. And so in order to set up an LLC in the state of Washington, business owners need to complete 8 steps. The first step is choosing a business name. When choosing a business name, it's important that it reflects the brand and is available in the state, which means that no other business is legally registered as that name. The second step is choosing a business address. This can be a virtual address if you're running your business from home, or this can be an address that you already have in mind because you have employees that need to work at the headquarters. The third step to forming an LLC is choosing a registered agent. A registered agent is an organization or person that takes official paperwork on behalf of your business. It's typically recommended that the registered agent is an organization. And so you can knock out step 3 and step 4 with one company, which brings me to step 4, which is filing your articles of organization. This is official paperwork saying that your business has been formed with your state. You can go directly to Washington's Secretary of State website, or you can use a business formation company to help you, which makes the process a lot easier, but you have the option to choose. Moving on, the operating agreement is a document that lists out the owners and managers in the business, as well as the responsibilities to grow the business. In addition, it includes how the profit will be given out to different people within the company. It also includes how decisions will be made if there's disagreements between the business owners. And so it's a very important document that's not required, but you do want to complete it in order to protect yourself and your interests in the business. The sixth step is getting an EIN and looking into licenses and permits. As it relates to the EIN, it stands for the Employer Identification Number. This is like the Social Security card, but for your business. And so you'll use this unique number when filing your taxes and getting funding for your business. And then as it relates to licenses and permits, it depends on the type of business that you have, as well as the city that you are located in. And so you'll need to do additional research, see if your business requires you to get a license or a permit to conduct business in your area. And then for the 7th step, Washington business owners will need to open up a business bank account. This is a way to separate you from your business. And so it's much easier when tax time comes around when you have your personal money separate from your business. And then for the last step, business owners will need to complete reporting requirements. There are 2 reports that will need to be filed. The first one is the BOI report. This stands for the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. And this is required by the Financial Crimes Network. And if you need help filling this report out, I've included a step-by-step video in the description below. And for the second report, Washington business owners will need to fill out the annual report. This is a report required every year that your business is in business and is due the next year or the anniversary of your business being formed. This report will cost you $60 to file. And I want you to feel good about that cost, as the state of California charges $800 to fill out this report in their state.
And so here we are on zenbusiness's homepage. Zenbusiness is going to help you step by step with forming your LLC. And so as you know, the first step is entering in your preferred business name. If you want to read up some more on Zenbusiness, you can scroll down from this page and get to know the packages they offer a little bit better. And so you have the option between the starter, pro, or premium package. The starter goes for $0, the pro is $199, and the premium is $349. The key difference between the starter, pro, and premium is that the pro plan includes worry-free compliance, which allows you to make 2 amendments or changes to your LLC paperwork. And then with premium, this includes your domain, website, as well as your email address. And so based off what you need, you can choose the best plan for you. I personally chose the pro plan when forming my LLC. So now let's enter in the business name and hit start now. It's going to take you to this page where it lists out the 5 steps in order to form your LLC. Now we're going to choose the state, and then it's going to ask us, how much experience do you have running a business? In this case, we're starting a business for the very first time, so we're going to say none. And then it's just going to be just us, as we're going to run a single member LLC. If you do plan on having employees, you can select which one fits you best. Will your business address be different from your home address? Yes, it will be, because we're going with a virtual or physical address. Now it's going to ask us, how far along is your business? Already making money, launching soon, or planning for the future? We're going to say launching soon in 1 to 2 months. What are your business goals? Do we want to make this a side hustle, primary income, or the next big thing? Let's say primary income, because we want our business to help us retire early. Now, it's going to ask us, what kind of business are you forming? Let's go with a retail store. Do you want to save your progress? Yes, it's important to save your progress because you can come back at any time. Now it's going to ask us who we want to act as our registered agent. Do we want to appoint zenbusiness, or would we like to be our own registered agent? And so it does let us know that this will be an additional charge of $199 when your formation is complete. So let's go with appointing zenbusiness as our registered agent. We can continue and hit next. And it's going to ask us to select which package we want. Do we want the starter, pro, or premium? We're going to go with the pro. Now it's going to ask us to protect your personal assets. Do you want business banking with zenbusiness? You can add banking for $5 a month, or you can say no thanks. I personally use a couple of other business banks that I'll link in the description that are free to use, but you have the option to choose whatever is best for you. In this case, let's go with no thanks and hit next. Now it's going to ask us if we want to use their Money Pro bookkeeping services. And so this will cost $30 a month. And so it is important that we have a bookkeeping service. We can go with zenbusiness, or we can go with another company. At this time, to keep costs low, we're going to say no thanks. When forming our LLC, it's also important for us to consider building a website. And so it'll cost $15 a month to go with zenbusiness, or we can say no thanks, because we do have another website in mind. I'll link below a free platform that'll help you set up a website for free. And so zenbusiness is here to help you save time and get organized. And so you can go with them and get your business documents for $99. Or you can search it up online. And so personally, I'm fine looking for my business documents online, so I'm going to say no thanks to this. Now we're at the final checkout window. It's going to include our name as well as our email, and then it's going to include our company information.
And so now you know how to set up an LLC, as well as important reports that you'll need to fill out to make sure your business is compliant. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below, and make sure to check out other videos on my channel as I talk about how to get grants to grow your business. Peace, stay building, bye.